Just before the spring break, a group of ISB employees, in collaboration with St. John's International School, came together to achieve a common goal: help as many people as possible stay safe from the COVID-19 infection by providing an extra layer of protection.
Through various personal and professional contacts, we found out that many people who are in risk of contracting the virus do not have access to sufficient protective gear. We realized that we could make a difference by using ISB's 3D printers to print visors and use these to assemble face shields.
Every year, the school organizes a handathon during which students 3D print and then assemble prosthetic hands for children. This year, due to the circumstances, we've unfortunately had to cancel. So instead, we thought the students of this service group, the Enable group, would be glad to be part of the face shield projects, and they decided to donate all the materials that they had bought through different fundraising activities throughout the year and have this material go towards the 3D printing of the face shields for the frontliner. The rest of the project is fully supported by ISB, and it's really truly fantastic to be able to do this with the school's help.
At the beginning, we tried a number of different designs for our face shields. After receiving some valuable feedback from frontline workers, we were able to reduce the amount of materials used in our design, which allowed us to scale up production rather quickly.
Some of us are rotating and printing from ISB, and some of us were able to take 3D printers home and print from home. ISB has been really great at supporting our efforts in any way possible while ensuring we stay safe.
Face shields we create are 3D printed headbands with a clear plastic sheet attached. They act as the first layer of protection for frontline workers who are potentially in contact with the virus, such as care workers at senior homes, dentists, general doctors, or policemen.
Our family has become really good at assembling the face shields as a team. We assemble the shields in batches of 50 to 100. The process is highly dependent on the speed and number of functioning 3D printers and on the delivery of the transparent shields through an online order to our home. Brian marks and hole punches the transparent sheets, and the kids and I squeeze the visors into the precisely punched holes. A tight fit is absolutely necessary for the workers who will be wearing them, as it is crucial that they do not fall apart.
We deliver the face shields on our own, whoever is available and has the means, and it's truly special because people feel like others care and they really appreciate it. The sense of solidarity is really heartwarming, and we're extremely thankful and happy that we're able to help in this small way.
We give out these shields to people who are in need that we know through personal connections or public appeals. If you know of anybody that could use some, please let us know.
We have already printed, assembled, and distributed over 500 face shields, and we're not stopping yet.